Howdy y'all and welcome back to another video. And today y'all, we are back to Happy Tree Friends. And today's video isn't going to be a very long one. We're only going to be doing 4 episodes today, and we will be finishing off Season 4. So today is actually the Season 4 finale. I know Season 4 went by extremely quick. That's because there was only 9 episodes of Season 4 compared to the recent seasons that were 10 to 20, if not more, episodes. So today, I already said what we were doing today. Anyhow, let's go ahead and jump into this, y'all. I'm excited, and I hope it's not too loud for y'all. If it is, I'm sorry. Put your back into it. Oh, we got Disco Bear. Russell, Petunia, and Giggles. Awesome. This ought to be interesting. Oh, what you gonna do, Disco Bear? Okay, well that's terrifying enough. Okay. Okay. Every time I see Disco Bear without a shirt on, that's terrifying. Oh, and then Petunia and Giggles are just like, oh, not you again. All right. Well, what you gonna do, Disco Bear? Ugh. You should probably go to a doctor now, mate. Like that doesn't look good. Ugh. Oof. Okay, so too many things has happened at once. You really need to see a doctor, mate. Of course, I know you're not. I know you're not going to, because no one in this, no one in Happy Tree Friends has any common sense. No one. Ugh. Okay. Oh, for the love of. Okay, hold up. No, 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 no. Ugh. Okay, bruh. Golly, I can't look at Disco Bear. Mm. I got to. I got to. Yep, you two should leave too. Uh-oh. Oh! Oh, 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 okay. Okay. I am terrified. That, ah, just too many things. Too many really terrifying things just happened at once. Okay. Ugh. Success depends on your backbone, not your wishbone. Other than the fact that um, this goes apparently perfectly with the terrifying scenario that just happened, I actually really love this. This whatever it's called. I'm I'm forgetful. Saying. There we go. I like that. All right, we'll probably start using that. Spare tire. Alrighty. Oh boy, we got the mole now. Oh, we got Pop and Cub, Lammy, Giggles, and Tuka. Okay. At least we don't have Lumpy. What? Wait, hold up. You know what, y'all? Her expression is very correct. What is this? What is this? Look, you can't go left, you can't go right. You got these to say you can. You got this, and then you... What is this? Oh, wait a second. I want to see her expression again. Yep, my expression exactly. Very, 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 very correct. Hello, mole. Uh-oh. You know, this is another thing I don't understand. Why does everyone keep their, why does everyone have their eyes closed when they walk and, like, look at this. Everyone has their eyes closed. I mean, we don't do that, in life because... Oh, Lumpy, that's smart. Yep, that's smart. Fantastic job, Lumpy. How smart. That's Lumpy for you. Always making the dumbest decision. Huh? Well, goodbye, Tooth. How? How does that... How does this happen? What? Oh, Lammy. Oh. Cub. Cub actually survived? That's awesome. What are you doing now, Sniffles? How does that work? How? Okay, first off, as again, too many things happen at once. I don't know how that works. I don't I don't know. I don't know. First off, let's go take a look at Cub. This is a very happy, sadistically way to end this episode. I mean, he's happy. His dad is dead, but he's happy. It just does not make any sense. It really doesn't. Bad leadership is like a flat tire. You can't go anywhere without changing it. That is very true, as shown by Lumpy, who tried to tell Pop not to smoke near the gas station, and yet Lumpy just does that, and then whoosh, everyone's dead. So yeah, Lumpy is a bad example, and Lumpy is very bad at leadership. Oh man. Camp Poke Knee Eye Out. Oh, this ought to be interesting. Oh, Cuddles? Oh no, we have Lumpy, Nutty, and Sniffle. Oh, we have... Okay. We have most of what we had the last time. Oh, great. Lumpy has a bugle. That usually doesn't end well. I don't know. Maybe this episode will be different. Oh. No. Ow. Okay. No, you missed. Alrighty. Okay, hold up. Can we just go back to this cool invention here? Look at that. How is somebody not actually made something cool like that in in life? That is such a cool invention. That is so cool. Uh-oh. What's the mole going to do? Uh-oh. They're racing. Lumpy, don't tell me. Oh no. How conveniently placed is that giant boulder, though? Arrgh! Why would you do that? You... Yep. Yep. Oh, it's not over. Actually, yes it is. Maybe you are safe. Yeah, shake hands. That's a good idea. Yeah. Yep, that works too. Oh, come on, Nutty. Wait, hold up, hold up, hold up. First off, what? Whoa! Wait, they're advertising a mobile game now. Happy Tree Friends, Deadeye Derby. Okay, so this was inspired by a mobile game that they made? Wait, what? Load up now and give it your all. Available now on the App Store. I don't have an iPhone. Okay, free advertisement, first of all. Second of all, let me know in the comments, y'all, if y'all want me to try out this mobile game. I will see if I can set it up. I have no idea how I'm going to do that. Second of all, or third of all, this entire episode was just all started because Cuddles thought they launched something at her. And then it just went entirely downhill from there. However, I will say one thing, Lumpy, that's what you get. That's exactly what you get. Sticks and stones may break bones, but words will never hurt you. Happy Tree Friends. Dream Job. Oh, this could be interesting. Or will most likely will be. It's got Sniffles in it, and it's got Lumpy. Oh boy. What are you doing, Sniffles? Wait, hold the phone. This is some Sword Art Online stuff here, y'all. This is like Sniffles literally just invented some Sword Art Online stuff. Oh boy, this is going to be great. I'm excited. I am excited. Let's see how this goes. This is going to be good. Uh-oh. Lumpy the janitor. Oh, this... Okay. Lumpy's gonna be... Yep. Yep. Jeez, I feel sorry for Sniffles. Oh, never mind. Sniffles is good now. Uh-oh. You know, it seems fitting for that. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh no. Lumpy, you have... Yep. As usual, Lumpy's the one to screw stuff up. Now poor Sniffles, he will probably never wake up. Oh. Oh no. Poor Sniffles. Okay, I'm confused with what happened at the end. I don't understand. Like, what happened to him? He must have had PTSD. That has to be PTSD. And I don't know what's wrong with his eyes, but I'm going to guess he's got more than just that problem. I feel really sorry for him. Lumpy destroyed him. Lumpy is the destroyer of all things. Dream as if you'll live forever. Live as if you'll die today. I actually, funny enough, I think I have a saying that's quite similar to that. I'll have to look in my journal sometime. It's actually pretty cool though. Anyhow, y'all, that's the end of today's video. I'm sorry that this was a short one, but we have finally finished season 4, and starting next, we will be doing season 5. Anyhow, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, drop a like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you all in the next video. This is Hope Faith Love, signing off. And goodbye, y'all.